strong in DMK lead alliance, sir. So you are also going to hold the general council in the upcoming June 27. So will you take what are the additional will be taken? Will you continue DMK or will going to TVK?
See, as far as the CPI and CPM and Congress are concerned, they have in fact announced, in fact the VCK also, they have all announced that they have parted ways with the DMK. They are no more part of the DMK alliance. But there are other parties like MDMK which still continues to be a part of the DMK alliance. Of course, we have a difference of opinion. We have a difference of opinion with the DMK regarding the symbol issue. And so, in fact, not only MDMK, there were other parties also which in fact said henceforth they will not contest in another party's symbol. So, we have a difference of opinion. Probably with the General Council, which is to be convened on the 27th of this month, the MDMK will, in fact, the MDMK leadership will announce whether it is to stay or will it move out of the DMK-headed alliance.
So how does the DMK alliance split, sir?
See, I mean, alliance is there for elections. Of course, on a common minimum program, we all joined together under DMK because the common minimum program was to ensure that Tamil Nadu does not come under communal politics. To keep communal politics away from Tamil Nadu, parties like Congress, Communists, MDMK, we all joined together. We came under the leadership of the DMK. But now things have changed. No? There's a sort of realignment of forces in Tamil Nadu, especially you have the new TVK, in fact, which has emerged victorious, much to the surprise of everybody. Nobody predicted TVK to win on such a big difference with such a thing. And TVK also, they have promised to be secular and not to follow divisive politics. And based on this secular politics, Congress and Communist parties, they have taken a stand to go with the TVK. Not only that, the reason for going with TVK also they have announced, because if they had not extended support to TVK, then we would have had presidential rule over here, which goes against the people's mandate. And for that reason, Congress, the communist parties, they had issued support to TVK. But as the days go by, I think there is a lot of bitterness exchange between the parties, and parties like Communists, they have said that we have come out of the DMK alliance. And regarding to us, with the General Council on 27th, we will make an announcement.